Hey, hello दोस्तों, दत्ता this side. Today I'm going to talk about why you need to charge your batteries. हमें हमारे बैटरीज क्यों चार्ज करना जरूरी है. Being an entrepreneur, being a marketer और being a employee, doesn't matter what you are doing in your life. लाइफ के अंदर जस्ट लाइक जो मोबाइल की बैटरीज होती है या फिर लेट्स एग्जांपल लैपटॉप बैटरीज, वी हैव टू चार्ज देम टू परफॉर्म. Just like that one, what I realize in my lifetime or my entrepreneurship journey, we have to charge our batteries regularly. So how do you charge? Like you see here, right now I'm just wandering here, trekking in Himalayan treks, just like having some group members, but having fun. You see here the snow here and other things around. Like you can see the beauty of this one, right? You can see the beauty here. I will give some tips. I will share my experience. If you want to become a high performance entrepreneur, then we have to adopt this element. What is the element? Like self realization of battery charging. I mean to say like getting away from digital distraction, day to day demands of life, family. And third बात बताना चाहूँगा यहाँ पे, जो आपका रेगुलरली ऑपरेशन काम होता है, कभी कभी हम लोग सोच नहीं पाते. लेट मी गिव एग्जांपल. फॉर एग्जांपल, बिफोर आई कमिंग हियर शूटिंग दिस वीडियो विथ यू, आई वाज लाइक हैविंग लॉट ऑफ टास्क. आई मीन टू से मेरे पास बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स है, like marketing projects, automation, and so many things I do because I'm coaching so many people already. 2000 plus active members I'm coaching, and it was demanding more from my side. But you know what was happening here? As an entrepreneur, as a marketer, I was just working like employee. I mean to say I was inside the job, not outside. Like मुझे ऊपर से नहीं दिख रहा था कि why my income revenue of the business उतना ही है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक्स अमाउंट चल रहा है 1 year से. एंड आफ्टर लर्निंग एंड दस ऑल दिस टेकिंग मेंटरशिप, आई रियलाइज वन थिंग हियर गाइज. एज अ एंटरप्रेन्योर और एक्सपर्ट, व्हाट एवर यू आर डूइंग, हमारा फोकस होना चाहिए कि हमारा बोट जो है, बिजनेस इज लाइक बोट, हाउ इट कैन गो अहेड, मूव आगे कैसे बढ़ सकता है. नॉट ओनली ऑपरेशन जॉब लाइक रिपेयरिंग द पार्ट्स. इसके लिए आप आउटसोर्स कर सकते हैं. You can hire the team members, other thing. That's what I have done. And dosto, I am having beautiful life. I'm enjoying here. So let's summarize this quick video. It doesn't matter who you are. You are an entrepreneur, offline business, online business, trainer, coach, consultant. If you want to live the true freedom life in action, तो हमें we have to implement the system in the business. उसके बाद में you have to work on your own, मतलब खुद के ऊपर भी काम करना चाहिए. So how can you work? Like go in the nature, take the fitness, go on the hiking, go on the trekkings and have the fun. दोस्तों, दत्ता तुले, this was a quick vlog for you. If you love freedom life, if you want to get customer on demand while running business on the automation, like leverage the online marketing or start your own empire, then also I'm doing one of the webinar. You can click on the link below or check more detail about what I do, because I'm already coaching over 20,000 plus people on online marketing, automation, coaching automation, sales, conversion, and so many strategies while traveling in the nature. Okay, awesome guys, digital growth expert. I'm signing off for today. मिलते हैं upcoming video के अंदर. If you are not subscribed to my channel right now, click on the link below, subscribe right now, hit the bell button. And what do you think, like कि आपके क्या goals है, क्या dreams है? You can just let me know in the comment box so that I will personally reply. मिलते हैं upcoming new vlog में. धन्यवाद.